Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how can you build a gem in Gemini of Google to create template phrases changing only one variable. I'm gonna show you what I mean if it sounds too complicated, but basically I'm gonna create a gem where you insert a keyword that can be, for example, soccer, and the gem will give you 5 results that will have the 100 most popular template phrases that are used on print on demand. For example, typically like "I rather be here" or "Sorry girls, I only love this." That is the variable. Okay?
How to make a gem with template phrases.
For this, I'm gonna use this prompt that I created for my Gemini that it says, make me a list of 100 template phrases for print on demand using the most popular and frequently used phrases where there is a variable that I can change for any keywords. For example, "I rather be." Let's go to Gemini, and here I will paste this and let's see what it brings. Okay, here are the results. You see, eat, sleep, keyword, soccer, repeat. I don't need therapy, I just need soccer, etc. It created 100 of those. Okay, this is a nice new way that you can use your gems. I've been experimenting a lot with gems and this works very fine. Okay, so then what is created, I'm gonna paste this in a new text edit. Here I'm gonna delete some things like this on the end, like okay, this, and now I'm gonna export this to PDF. Let's say phrases, and I'm gonna save it in the desktop. Okay, then as I told you before, I'm gonna go to my gems here in Gemini. I'm gonna put new gem, and I'm gonna put a title, for example, template phrases. Okay, and then description, let's say template phrases for POT. And then in the instructions, I'm gonna copy and paste a prompt that I have here. It basically says of the 100 phrase template that are here, choose the best 5 for the selected keyword. And give me 5 prompts to create t-shirt designs. Okay, and in knowledge, I'm going to put here where are the phrases we just created. Okay, the templates, and I'm also, this is optional, but I also gonna add some art reference styles that I have, that I created before. I have videos of how I created this. I'm gonna, if you want, you can look here up in the right and click that link to know how to create them. So I'm gonna choose this one that I like and this one. Okay, Chicano Street Pinterest styles and Pinterest art styles for this example. So now I have in knowledge the template of phrases and the art styles. Okay, now I put save, easy as that, and now I can start using my template. Okay, my gem of template phrases. Let's say, if you want, we can go here and find some niche we want to try. Let's say cat. Okay, cat. We go here and we put the keyword cat. We put pro for the better thinking. Let's see what the results. You see, we have 5 results. The first one is with eat, sleep, cat, repeats. Let's see the results. Always on pro. You see the second result, and this one that is very popular. Let's see the results. Very cool. Eat, sleep, cats, repeat. You see, and it shows art style that is very different from what you see typically on Merch by Amazon. This is from art style I picked on Pinterest. Remember, if you wanna know how I use this, how I created these art styles and gems, please click here up in the right. Okay. The second result, life is better with cats. You see, life is better is the template with, and cat is the variable. Very good looking design. My therapy is cats. I like the idea about the design not that much. And this is a good design, easily distracted by cats. Okay, awesome. You see, with this method, I just quickly created template phrases with Gemini, but you can make a deep search and create better template phrases that are not as common. You can make any Spanish if you want, based it on a specific niche, etc. Hope you understand the process. If you have any questions or anything about this video, please leave it in the comments. See you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.